Actor-director Rishabh Shetty has finally addressed the controversy surrounding Ranveer Singh mimicking the divine figure Chamundi Deva, also known as Chamundi, from his film Kantara, Chapter 1. The incident happened during an interaction at the International Film Festival of India, IFFI, in Goa earlier this month and sparked widespread criticism online. Speaking at an event in Chennai, Rishabh shared his thoughts on the situation. While he did not name anyone directly, he reflected on the challenges of making a film deeply rooted in culture and tradition. He said that films like Kantara always carry a certain risk. With Kantara, there was a constant fear that culture and belief could be diluted and turned into pop culture once the film reached a wider audience, he explained. Rishabh emphasized that he worked closely with elders during the filmmaking process to ensure that every ritual and portrayal was handled with care and respect. Yet, he admitted that once a film is released, its elements often take on a life of their own. Speaking about instances where people reenact or mimic the devas on stage, Rishabh said, "That makes me uncomfortable. While much of the film is cinema and performance, the Daiv element is sensitive and sacred. Wherever I go, I request people not to perform it on stage or mock it. It is emotionally deeply connected to us." He added that despite repeated requests from the Kantara team, seeing the devas being mimicked or mocked still deeply affects him. For context, during IFFI, Ranveer Singh met Rishabh Shetty and mimicked the devas while speaking about Kantara, repeating the gesture on stage even after Rishabh asked him not to. This moment went viral and sparked criticism for being disrespectful to a sacred tradition. Ranveer Singh later clarified the situation on Instagram. He wrote, "My intention was to highlight Rishabh's incredible performance in the film. Actor to actor, I know how much it would take to perform that particular scene in the way that he did, for which he has my utmost admiration." He also apologized, saying, "I have always deeply respected every culture, tradition and belief in our country. If I've hurt anyone's sentiments, I sincerely apologize." On the work front, Kantara and Kantara, Chapter 1 remain among the highest-grossing Kannada films after KGF, Chapter 2. Meanwhile, Ranveer Singh's Dhurandhar continues to dominate the box office, ranking among the biggest hits of the year. This controversy highlights the fine balance between cinema and cultural sensitivity, reminding audiences and actors alike of the importance of respecting sacred traditions.